Welcome! In this lesson, we will learn about the fundamental safety practices that are essential when working with electronic equipment like radio receivers. Mastering these rules is critical for preventing accidents and ensuring a safe working environment, whether you are a professional technician or a hobbyist. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to perform these 6 critical safety checks to protect yourself and the equipment you are servicing. First, let's talk about your work environment. A clean, well-illuminated, and well-ventilated work area is your first line of defense against accidents. Clutter can cause short circuits or trip hazards, while good lighting prevents eye strain and mistakes. In Nigeria, where repair shops can be in confined spaces, keeping things organized is key. Good ventilation is also crucial, especially when soldering. The fumes from solder contain harmful chemicals. A simple fan or an open window can help draw these fumes away, protecting your health over the long term. The most important rule in electronics repair is to always assume a circuit is live until you have proven it is dead. A live circuit has electrical power and can give you a dangerous shock. To confirm a circuit is dead, first unplug the device. Then use a multimeter set to DC voltage to check key points, especially the large capacitors in the power supply section. The reading must be 0 before you proceed. Remember, even after unplugging, capacitors can store a dangerous electrical charge for a long time. That's why checking them is a critical step. To safely discharge a capacitor, use a proper discharge tool. This tool, made from a resistor, safely bleeds the stored energy. Simply touch its probes to the capacitor's terminals for a few seconds. Strong warning: never use a screwdriver or pliers to short the terminals. This can cause a violent spark, damage the component, and spray molten metal, which is extremely dangerous. Next, always protect your eyes. Wear safety goggles when soldering or working near high voltage components. This protects you from splashes of hot solder or the rare but possible explosion of a faulty capacitor. Finally, handle your electronic measuring instruments with care. Tools like multimeters and oscilloscopes are precise and can be easily damaged if dropped or handled roughly. Proper care ensures they remain accurate and last a long time. Let's quickly review the key safety rules. Always maintain a safe workspace. Check for live power. Discharge capacitors. Protect your eyes and handle your tools with care. Following these rules will keep you safe and make you a more professional technician.